They will be performing Lave and Rose.
Des cieux qui font passer la lumière, un rire qui chipelle sur sa bouche, baila le portrait, sa retouche de la moquette, je partirai. Hold me fast, this magic spell you cast. This is love that rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see love that rose. When you press me to your heart, and in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day your word seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie and hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is la vie and rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie and rose. When you press me to your heart, and in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every little word seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie and rose.
Thank you so much, Lianne and Jane, for that soulful performance. So, Lovey and Rose literally translate to life in pink, but a more accurate translation is life through rosy pink or glasses. The idea is to describe a state where everything appears rosy and cheerful to you, and everything around you is a source of joy.
And what a great meaning we have there, Hazel. Yeah, truly our songs for tonight were pre-selected wisely, and the meaning that they convey makes this virtual concert more wonderful.
Yes, and at this moment, we would like to thank our generous donors, starting with Engineer Francis Venuya for donating 1,000 pesos, Sister Feli